Ripple and the US SEC are reportedly close to a settlement. Many XRP holders are hoping for a major price surge like the one in July 2023. But according to Analyst, things might not play out the same way this time. Let's break it down. The latest reports from Fox Business journalist Eleanor Terrett suggest that Ripple and the SEC are now negotiating settlement terms. This follows Ripple's demand for more favorable conditions. While this sounds like great news, some analysts are warning that XRP's reaction might be underwhelming. Back in July 2023, when the court ruled that XRP was not a security, the price doubled in just 4 hours. But Dom believes this kind of movement is unlikely to happen again. Why? Because back then, the ruling came as a surprise. Investors rushed in, pushing XRP to new highs. This time, however, the market has been anticipating the settlement for months. Dom explains that the element of surprise is crucial in triggering sharp price movements. And right now, there's a high confidence level in the market that a settlement will happen. Since investors have already factored in this expectation, the actual event might not have the explosive impact many are hoping for. Another key difference? The July 2023 ruling focused on the legal status of XRP itself, which had a direct impact on its utility and adoption. This time, the focus is on Ripple as a company. Specifically, Ripple is negotiating the penalty for allegedly selling XRP to institutional investors without proper registration. The company has already been hit with a $125 million fine. This legal resolution is important for Ripple, but it doesn't necessarily change XRP's status or adoption overnight. So, what can investors expect? Dom suggests that while XRP might see some positive momentum, it will likely be more modest compared to 2023. A 20% price increase, rather than a 100% surge, is a more realistic scenario. At press time, XRP is trading at $2.22, up 4% today on the settlement news leaks. A 20% gain from here would bring XRP to around $2.64. For those considering taking profits, Dom notes that the settlement news could provide what he calls a small exit pump. This means short-term traders might use the price jump as an opportunity to sell before momentum slows down again. However, Dom also points out a more important factor: Ripple's future plans. With the lawsuit out of the way, Ripple may finally be able to announce new partnerships, business expansions, or utility improvements for XRP. In the long run, these developments could have a much stronger impact on the price than the settlement itself. So, while the Ripple SEC settlement is big news, don't expect an instant skyrocket in XRP's price. The market has already been preparing for this outcome, which could limit short-term gains. However, what Ripple does next could be the real catalyst for XRP's long-term growth. What do you think? Will XRP surprise us, or is this a sell the news event? Let's discuss in the comments.